This has been my process today of updating the in-process platform. So first you'll notice that on your artist timeline, you've got a little hide icon. If you click that, we now have an animation on the fade out. Additionally, we now have this little toast in the bottom that shows whether it was hidden or revealed. You might think, oh no, if I hide this, where does it go? Well, you can just go over to your manage page where you will see all of your items. We've removed the blur that was over these before, so now you can see your crystal clear images. And then you can toggle right here between visible and hidden. I like all of my items to be visible, so I'll make them visible. And then I can go and I can check the process back on my timeline. And I can see if anything's hidden or shown here. And I can do some immediate hiding if this is mine. And then if I ever want to re-enable something that I've archived and hidden, I can just go over to my manage page and then toggle it again. This has been my process building out the hide button for in process.